So we are talking about comprehensive internationalization of the institution. How do you visualize it?
IIS deemed to be university is located at Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan, India. We are the pioneers in providing high quality and value-based education not only in the state of Rajasthan but all over the country. Comprehensive internationalization is our definite commitment ever and more in the light of new education policy which the Government of India has brought out in a more focused way now.
How do you visualize it and how do you plan to achieve this goal?
We have a clear goal of aligning ourselves to the national priorities and contribute to making India a global study destination. Our team is working very hard towards enhancing our university's national and international profile and prestige for global visibility.
How do you plan to achieve this larger goal?
I think the best way to achieve this is surely through intensive academic, industry and research collaborations. When our vision and common goal is to have world-ready citizens, we would ensure exposure to intellectual and intercultural dimensions in our curriculum and lifelong learning environment, which is the stated objective of national education policy also.
How do you wish to see your contribution in interconnected world?
We receive students from all parts of the state and country and some from abroad also and from varied background and ethnicity. We shall nurture this cross-cultural and multi-jurisdictional skill set among students, faculty and non-academic staff more for enhanced graduate employability in increasingly borderless global settings. Comprehensive internationalization will help in preparing the ISU students to live, work and thrive effectively in an increasingly interconnected world.
How will you enhance experiential learning suiting global needs?
Collaborations, interactions and participation shall remain our approach for synergizing global partnerships. We shall facilitate inward and outward mobility of students, faculty and other non-academic staff for better academic, social, cultural and economic development. This will broaden the experience base of the students, thereby providing more opportunities for stakeholders to participate in national and international programs.
How would you increase your support base to achieve the same?
Innovative approaches and flexibilities given to higher education institutions by the government and the policies like STRIP to transform the entire science, technology and innovation landscape inspire us to see funding opportunities from diversified national and international engagements and partnerships. The operational efficiency of this institution will find its strength through exposure to diversified resources and varied funding mechanisms.
What outcome do you perceive through this internationalization approach?
It will certainly increase and strengthen the cross-border strategic and synergistic networking, partnerships, collaborations, and funding, thereby facilitating capacity building, academic visits, summer and winter schools, research collaborations, projects, cultural exchange programs, joint degree courses, resource mobilization, and lot more.
Do you see benchmarking of the institutional practices through internationalization approaches?
Transforming ourselves into the frame of internationalization, we see opportunities for benchmarking the institutional performance within the context of international good practices and elevating global ranking, positioning and relevance matching national aspirations.
How would it add to the diversity and inspiring socio-cultural environment?
Internationalization also means that we attend to local needs and make best use of our intellectual resources in drawing attention to our value system, ethos, and adaptability for diverse social, cultural environment. Sense of pride in our own history, intellectual legacy, and the habit of delivering quality with best of human resources will be our larger achievement to see Bharat shining more on the global canvas.
Will the process of internationalization help global employability?
Our commitment to internationalization will ensure global employability and skills, specifically soft skills, experiential learning related to cultural understandings and language acquisition. We shall also draw students from other parts of the globe once we build this faith among all that we offer globally competitive environment and facilities.
Do you believe that your commitment to the internationalization could be seedbed for knowledge creation?
I'm sure that with our commitment to channelizing internationalization, will increase the research opportunities by incorporating global perspectives and knowledge creation and dissemination with enhanced on-campus resource capacity will position our country back to the days when seekers would see Bharat as their final destination and would only settle for deep knowledge and wisdom.
What do you perceive as major challenge in achieving this?
In fact, I see the process of internationalization as joining national education movement at a very crucial juncture when we have to grow together, engage better and compete for quality. Committing to a harmonious world and equity is also a priority to enjoy the benefits of all these approaches. Global standards and comprehensive internationalization is all about joining a process which helps us stand on a high pedestal where we care for our roots, intellectual capabilities, and legacies. Organizational adaptation for global reconfiguration is the pathway we are ready to walk with firm foot. Thank you.